Okay, hello everyone. Today we are working on a paper box. I know there's a few other names for it, but that's the one we're going to give it. And it is just a simple single piece of paper that you can make a box out of. Okay, so we start off with a plain piece of paper, an 8.5 by 8.5 sheet of paper. And if we turn it sideways, horizontally, we start that way and fold it in half. Okay, and after that you fold it in half again. So there's a couple of different ways you can do it, but this is the way I like because your pieces actually come out a little more even. Alright, so it is actually 4 equal pieces. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now we have 4 equal pieces. So one like that, and then I fold it like this. And now you do the same thing going the other way. So I'm going to actually turn the paper. It's just easier to fold. And then you do the same thing. So you go like this, fold it in half, and then you do the same thing that I did before, because you want to make 4 equal pieces here again. So you fold it that way and fold it this way. Okay. And when you open it up, you have 16 different squares. Okay. And now what you want to do is fold it back this way again, turn it sideways, right? So we have it like this, so it's vertical now, okay? And then we fold the ends in like this, and now we're going to fold each corner in. We're going to fold it in until it comes to this fold mark right here, okay? The first fold mark, the corner is going to come into that point. So if you take it and you fold it so that the one edge is along this fold, and same thing over here. Okay, so you get on every single corner. Then you fold it this way. Paper's a little stiff, which is good. And there's that one. And now same thing here. You see that there's a fold there. We're going to take the corner and we're going to go all the way up here, like that. And now this one, same thing. We're going to go all the way up to the edge, the folded edge right there. Okay, so 4 corners are all folded in now, and they've lined up with those folds that are in the paper. This is a tricky part. It's actually very hard to see. So on the paper now, on the pieces that folded in, we have 4 other corners. We have one there, we have one there, and we'll have one there and one there. Now these are going to fold in as well, okay? And they're going to fold in like this until the edge touches the edge there. So this is what it looks like this. It's going to fold in and do the same thing on that. So each corner gets the same treatment, same fold. So it folds in like that. Okay, this one's not quite the same width, but that's okay. It's not going to matter too much. Alright, there we go. And this one is the same. It gets folded in as well, like that, corner, and then this one gets folded in as well. Okay, it's very odd that this one is like that, but nah, that's okay. Now, this is also a little tricky. Now we want to fold these edges over. So this edge is going to be folded over, and this edge is going to be folded over. And these are our guiding lines where they're folded to, these corner pieces. Okay, so, and this is a bit of a tough fold because the paper doesn't really want to fold that way. So if we take the corners and push them in, right, the ones that we did, and we're going to fold it over these edges, right, this edge and this edge. And so I got to cover it with my hands because you have to kind of wrestle it into place, right? And what you'll find then is the edges match up with the edge there and the edge there. Okay, and it's a little crinkly here. I'm not sure why. I might have done something wrong. And then I do the same thing with this one. I fold it back. And it goes back like this. And it folds like this. Okay, and now we have the makings of our box. So if we open it up, right, it's got a box look to it, right? It still feels pretty stiff. And now the idea of this is it should be able to fold into a smaller piece. And to do that, we have to reverse a couple of folds. So if we open it up, this side, because it folds like this, right? It will actually come inside. So if we fold it like this, or bring it up, sorry, not fold it, if we bring it up and then push on these folds on the inside, right? This one and this one, these two lines, right, that go up and down. If we reverse those and push them in, right, we reverse it like this, reverse it like this, right, and we do the same thing on the other side. If we take them and reverse them in, right, it takes a little bit of massaging, right, and push it in like that, and push it in like this. Right, so the idea is that it will actually fold into a single box. Right, so we can go like this and fold it into a square. And now if we open up, we have our simple box. And that is how our paper box is made.